Hello friends, very good evening. This is Bala here. Welcome back to another video. This video we are going to discuss about the Bank Nifty, how it is performed today and what kind of trade strategies which we can deploy for that today's scenario that we are going to discuss in this video. And before going to the video, I was thankful to you all for reaching your 2400 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and thank you for you all to reaching this milestone. And keep subscribing my channel and keep supporting, so we'll learn together, and we'll do more picks on my channel. And for your kind support, thank you very much for my subscribers, and those who are viewers of my YouTube channel, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And anyone who want to open a trading account with me, the link which is provided on the description, you can using the link, you can start opening an account with me, and you can also start trading with me. Thanks for your fabulous support. Thank you very much. Let's move on to the video now. So today's scenario, the Bank Nifty, as per our Camarilla levels, today Bank Nifty it started last 2 days, 2 consecutive days was a bigger down in a Bank Nifty. Today it recovered almost somewhere around 50% from the low from the previous 2 days close. So almost is it ending with the it reaches the peak. So why it happened today? And most important today is this is what the day where the expiry is going to expiry is done. So that is why, so all the premium it's going to adjust as per its intrinsic value. So that is the reason the most of the premium is going to become zero, that is out of the money, and ATM options even it may go to zero. So that kind of movement it happened today. So opening itself it's showing the strength, and till middle session market went higher, and then from there that particular point it started moving down. If you check that previous days Camarilla level, so you will get some idea where we can take a reversal kind of trade, and how market reacting according to the previous levels of Camarilla. That is also, if you are watching very neat, so you can get that idea where what are the points where the market going to reverse. So just a second, let's check about the today's scenario where the levels for a previous day's trading Camarilla level, the from previous day Camarilla level, today's Camarilla were down from the previous day, so it giving you, so we are expecting the bearish day, right? We are expecting the bearish day, but what happened, market exactly opened on or above that R4 level. It's showing the initial strength to bullish, but what we are expecting as per this trade, we don't have any opportunity on our selling side in the morning itself. So if you are watching that previous day's level, so that will give you some idea where the market is going to be reversed, because we are expecting the downside trend for today's scenario. But what happened in a Bank Nifty, it started over and R4, it's showing initial strength around 34,700 level. So it is a 34,700 started, and it started slightly moving around 35,000. Okay, somewhere around 300 point positive from the opening, so not from the previous day's close. I'm talking about the, we are focusing the intraday trade opportunity, not focusing for a delivery based, because previous day, so if you are taking a long position at yesterday's closing, and if you are keeping holding that position, so you are going to get a profit, right? But we are not holding the previous days book, we are focusing for a right trade opportunity on today's scenario. In morning itself it's showing you some strength, the market is slightly moving and pull back from that R4 level, but we are expecting the down kind of trade where we can find out some selling opportunity at a higher level. Let's see, this is the levels where these levels are not tested by, not tested, so the test not tested levels are more important level in the market. So these are the levels where it gives you some importance, that point where market is ready to reverse, or even if it is breaks above that level, and it's giving you some kind of bullishness too. But the untested levels are very very important levels, so where the market is going to reverse at that point is very higher level. So it giving you some better trade opportunity where you can find out on the peak of the market or even the bottom of the market. So where we are going to find out any bottom opportunity, so we can use that untested levels, that is also giving you some worthy, right? So here, so we have some untested levels of yesterday, that is what, somewhere that R3, that is S3. Now that is a level which is giving you some resistance now, because market is started trading below that level. Once it is not tested by the market, but if you are taking this resistance level, the morning itself it was broken. This particular time is within a 15 minutes it broken. So this level already tested by today within a first 15 minutes candle. So we are not taking that as a perfect resistance level, but this support act as the major resistance where that exactly market was reversed from that particular point. So we are expecting a selling opportunity. So we are waiting for the level to reach that based on our Camarilla pivot point strategy. When the market is reaching that particular level, it is not able to cross over that, and it was trading very flat in a few more candles at this same level. You can check it that how the market is reacting on that level of untested level for a previous day, that giving you some ultra edge or higher probability trade where you can find out that level. So when the market is testing in between the range, or it is taking the resistance level at this point, and after the resistance it not able to sustain over the price of the previous day S3. Because why we are taking the previous day S3, that is what the like untested level of yesterday, because this is and already we are told you some video, these are the untested levels. So these act as some good resistance point for the bank nifty in coming days, right? So where the market is, the four levels is not tested by the market on the 2 days back, and next day again it is only one level tested and it started falling from that point, but the three levels is still not tested. That level act as a good resistance for a bank nifty, and from that particular point bank nifty started reversal around 34,900. So it gives you some better opportunity on our intraday trade. So where we are going to take that is around 34,950 is the resistance where the market is trading on the same range, and then it started falling and tested the previous today's R3 level again. But initially it is not testing the R3. While if you are focusing this level, it will give you some good kind of intraday opportunities. So that if you are focusing, so you will find out the right trade opportunity on a live market. But these levels are static levels, it is not a dynamic. So we will plan the trade before market reaches that particular point. So initially markets showing the strength, but as per the levels it is showing the bearishness. We are expecting for a bearish kind of trade. So at this point we got some clue where the market is reversed. If you are checking with the moving average, so when I applied that 20 period EMA, so where the market is started closing below that moving average around 1215, so where even we can take around 34,800 as a reversal point, and with the high of that today's high we can make as a stop loss, and then the market is started falling and coming to the R3 level. So that kind of trade opportunity which we can focus for the bank nifty. And previous supports any of previous days, if it is untested level, so they may be acting as a good resistance. If the levels should not be tested by the market on the 4 levels or even 3 levels should not be tested, so that act as a good resistance or a support for the market. So where we can find out the reversal kind of trade, so that will give you some better opportunity where we are going to take at a higher level and lower level as a buy and sell opportunity. So that is happening in a bank nifty, that is giving you some good opportunity if you are focusing with the previous days levels, that act as a good resistance and gives you some good profit. But as per our Camarilla strategy, so today breakout happened, so but we are not expecting the breakout kind of trade, so we are expecting the downside breakout, but it has not happened today. Okay, and nifty, let's check nifty also showing some good strength in the morning. Yes, and it is started over higher than the previous day high, sorry, higher than previous day today's resistance is opening more than R4, but in between the yesterday's, but where we are seeing this is overlapping area, so we didn't get any good kind of trade opportunity, but we are expecting a little bit bearish on the stock. But today we didn't get any trade opportunity at all in Nifty, but Nifty is rallied very good today because yesterday two levels were tested, but this acts as a good resistance for a Nifty whenever it reaches that level of 15,880. So again there will be reversal chances possible in between this range. The resistance act as market act as a good resistance for a Nifty at this point of 15,880 with this range of 15,900. That is what a good resistance level. And today we didn't get any good trade opportunity because Nifty, we are previous day level, we are comparing with that Bank Nifty. That is why we are taken the R3 previous day S3 as a resistance. But here Nifty we got a overlapping values, so we didn't get any perfect trade opportunities on Nifty today. That is about the video. So I hope this may be useful video to you all. If you are like this video, like and share to your friends and comment on this video if you are any doubt on this. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much.